Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Learning is Fun with Miss Janet. I would like to know, what sound do animals make? Let me find some of my friends around here. We have a cow. Cook, cow. I am a cow. What do I say? Moo. Moo. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a cow. What do I say? Moo. Moo. I say it all day. I say it all day. Oh, let's see what other friend I have. A pig. Pig. I am a pig. What do I say? Oink. Oink. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a pig. What do I say? Oink. Oink. I say it all day. I say it all day. Now we have tiger. Tiger. I am a tiger. What do I say? Growl. Growl. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a tiger. Tiger. What do I say? Roar. Roar. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a frog. 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 I am a frog. What do I say? Ribbit. Ribbit. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a frog. What do I say? Ribbit. Ribbit. I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a fish. I am a fish. 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 What do I say? I am a fish. Fish. What do I say? I say it all day. I say it all day. I am a frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. I am a tiger. Tiger. Growl. Growl. I am a pig. Pig. Oink. Oink. I am a cow. Moo. Cow. 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 Moo. I am a fish. What do I say? Fish. Fish. Oh, boys and girls, I hope you had fun today learning sounds of animals. Come back again where learning is fun with Miss Janet. See you all later. Bye-bye.